Hello everybody, this is derhon, the best hotel tester. I will show you now a new room tour from the Hotel Autograph Collection Sina Villa Medici. Enjoy it. Hallo und herzlich willkommen, hier ist derhon, der beste Hoteltester. Ich habe eine neue Roomtour für euch und zwar von einem Autograph Collection Hotel, das Sina Villa Medici in Florenz.
Tell me where you go, it's not good. Be without your love, but I'm fine. And I would try to set that in my mind. Wherever I go in my dreams, when I lay in my bed, we can get you out of there. I just wanna make you feel special, but I know you don't want me cause I know your type is alright. Well, I'm dying inside. I just wanna make you feel special, but I know you don't want me cause I know your type is alright. Well, I'm dying inside. Special. Your love, your love, your love, your love. Babe, it's not a big deal, you're not special. Babe, stop thinking you're special. Your love, your love, your love, your love. Babe, it's not a big deal, you're not special. Babe, stop thinking you're special. For you, tell me where you go, it's not good. Be without your love, but I'm fine. And I would try to set that in my mind. Wherever I go in my dreams, when I lay in my bed, we can get you out of there. I just wanna make you feel special, but I know you don't want me cause I know your type is alright. Well, I'm dying inside. I just wanna make you feel special, but I know you don't want me cause I know your type is alright. Well, I'm dying inside. Special. Your love, your love, your love, your love. Babe, it's not a big deal, you're not special. Babe, stop thinking you're special. Your love, your love, your love, your love. Babe, it's not a big deal, you're not special. Babe, stop thinking you're special. For you, tell me where you go, it's not good. Be without your love, but I'm fine. And I would try to set that in my mind. Wherever I go in my dreams.
And this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoy it. Then give me a like. You can subscribe my channel. Don't forget to ring the bell. And I see you by the next time. Thank you for watching and bye bye. Und das war sie schon, die Roomtour vom The Autograph Collection Hotel Sina Villa Medici in Florenz. Ich hoffe, es hat dir Spaß gemacht. Dann abonnieren, liken und wiederkehren, die Glocke aktivieren und natürlich sich auch die Review ansehen. Sehr zu empfehlen. Danke fürs Zuschauen und tschüss.
Sexy. Sexy. Sexy beat.